What is going on, guys? All right, so tonight we're going to clean the first parts of what I brought home, which is the coilovers. I'm going to take them apart. Well, first I'm going to measure them, see where they're at, because they're preset to the height that I wanted. I'm going to measure them, take them apart, clean them, put them back together. Enjoy. Alright, so as you can see, I got measurements, driver's side, passenger side, front and rear. And then when it came to measuring, I measured between there, pretty much between here to there. That's it, that gives you the spring preset. And then I measured here to here between the rings, or the collars, to get the height. Because like I said, I want it to be what it was now when I put it back on the car. So now I need to break this loose, which is kind of hard, but I put a flathead screwdriver right there on the little edge of it. Then you take a little hammer, you tap it until it becomes loose. Now I'm going to take the bodies off each one. I'll film doing one, and then you guys I'll kind of fast forward through the rest. But yeah, let's get this one taken apart. Okay, so after taking this, this and this off of this, and taking a heck of a lot of time, as you can see there's a lot of rings here, I realized that where this is sitting, where the collars are and the springs, I'm never going to mess with the preset, so I don't need to take any of this apart. I'm just going to, on the rest of them, I'm probably going to unwind it to, maybe an inch or so down, or whatever. Because under here it's also clean, because that's what sits inside there, so nothing got there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to roll them down a little bit and remove the lower locking nut off of each one. Move it down or off or whatever. Because if you look, they're pretty clean inside there, because obviously, like I said, they're closed. There's no way for dirt to get there. So anyways, I'm moving down, clean this area, clean it all up here, put them all back together. A lot easier, a lot less time spent. It'll be the same job. Alright, so after threading this on for frickin' ever, as you can see, obviously, I got my measurement set. I got this locked down, both of these. And this one is done. I'm sure you guys noticed this one doesn't have an end link like the rest of these do. These front ones are new. These are new, nice, good, new, stiff end links. Back ones are garbage. So I'll be getting 2 new ones anyways. I don't even know where that one is, honestly. But Yeah, I noticed on this one it's garbage. So I mean, you shouldn't be able to do that. That's trash. You can probably hear it too. Whatever. Anyways, garbage. We're gonna have to get 2 new rear end links, and yeah, so that one's done. Let's get the rest of these. Let's do a little time lapse so you guys don't have to sit through it all. Enjoy. Alright, well that took a while. I didn't even take them fully apart. But anyways, they're done. They're clean. As you can tell, there's still some surface rust. There's some paint chipping. And it's no big deal though. The main reason I did this, not because it's not a show car. It's not going to have shiny coilovers. But I wanted to be able to adjust these when they were getting put on the car. And when I was doing a test fit with my new wheels, which I'm very excited to show you guys. But anyways, yeah, if they're beat up and rusty, you know, kind of hard to get it to work. But so that's it. They're done. So next on the agenda, next video or maybe the video after, these are the hubs. We'll unpack those. I got the wheel bearings in here. Sorry. Anyway, got new wheel bearings in there for the back. And then we'll do the rear subframe another day. And then the traction arms. I'm not sure what these are called. You guys can let me know. But yeah, I'm still debating if I should take them apart or not, because these bushings are not that bad. They're old, but they're not that bad. So I don't really want to take them apart, but we'll see. Alright, so thank you for watching that. I'm sorry if this one was a little boring, but like I said, it's just another video. I'm trying to give content for you guys. I'm trying to keep you guys entertained and coming back. You have no idea how excited I've been about the new subscribers and the views my videos are getting. I actually wasn't expecting this much, so I'm very excited. So yeah, it's a definite project, as you guys can tell. My car needs a lot of work, but it's getting there. It will get there. There might be some changes coming soon, good changes. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. I'm also debating doing an early update. I know when I started the channel I want to do one at 500, but let's be real, it's going to take a while to get there. So I want to actually show you guys, I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing this for entertaining you guys and getting support for my project and getting my name out there and all that. So I might be doing a little giveaway for you guys, you know. So keep subscribing. Hit that little bell next to the subscribe. I mean, that will notify you as soon as I put a video out. And then if it is a giveaway video, you guys will know first. So definitely subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some support. I really do appreciate it. It makes me feel good about doing this. It gets me more excited. And so follow along. I'm going to try to have a lot of videos this week. Like I showed you guys, the hubs with the bearing replacement and the traction arms or whatever they're called. You guys definitely let me know. The rear subframe and all that. Anyways, so I will do my best to keep you guys entertained. Do my best to get things done ASAP. Like I said, I have goals that I need to accomplish with this car. This is the year. I want to drive it in July. Absolutely, I want to be able to drive this car. It has to be drivable in July. I know I have plenty of time, but as you guys know, when life kicks in, and it kicks in hard. So anyways, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.